In this meditation today, we will explore jealousy, a powerful emotion that can affect our well-being and relationships. Jealousy is like a cloud that can block the sunshine in our lives. We'll delve into what jealousy is, how it affects us, and how to become aware of it and release its grip. Jealousy is a common emotion that arises when we perceive that someone has something we desire or is doing better than us in some way. It often stems from feelings of insecurity, inadequacy, or fear of missing out. We may feel envious of someone's success, material possessions, relationships, or even their appearance. Jealousy can lead to feelings of resentment and inadequacy, affecting our happiness and relationships. For example, you might have felt jealousy when a colleague received a promotion, or when a friend seemed to have the perfect relationship, or when a closed one goes out for a beautiful vacation, or wears something which is pleasing to the eyes and is receiving more compliments. These moments of jealousy can create a sense of unease and tension within us. Jealousy can impact our day-to-day lives by eroding our self-esteem and causing unnecessary stress and anxiety. It can also strain our relationships, as jealousy often leads to mistrust and misunderstandings. Find a quiet and a comfortable place to sit or lie down now. Remember, do not listen to this meditation while driving or doing any activity that requires you to be alert. Close your eyes and let's embark on this journey of understanding and healing yourself. To help you relax and become more aware of your emotions, we'll use a simple breathing technique. As you breathe in, count to 4, and as you exhale, count to 6. We'll do this 3 times. Breathe in deeply and exhale. Breathe in and exhale. One more time. Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. With each breath, release any tension in your body and allow yourself to relax completely. Now, imagine yourself standing at the edge of a beautiful, calm pool. This pool represents your emotions, and within it, you will find jealousy. Gently dip your toes into the water and feel its soothing coolness. As you stand at the pool's edge, recall a situation in your life where jealousy surfaced. Visualize this situation in your mind, acknowledge the feelings that arose, and let them flow into the pool. Feel the weight of jealousy dissipating as it merges with the water, leaving you feeling light and completely free of negative thoughts. Allow this emotion to be released into the pool. Imagine it transforming into ripples on the water's surface and gradually fading away. Gently say to yourself, I acknowledge the jealousy I felt, but I choose to release it. I am not defined by these emotions. I am worthy of happiness, and I can find joy in others' successes. I am ready to let go of this heavy burden. As you repeat this affirmation, see the pool becoming still and clear, no longer clouded by jealousy. As you slowly return to the present moment, remind yourself of today's centering thought. I release jealousy and embrace happiness for myself and others. I am deserving of love and contentment. I release jealousy and embrace happiness for myself and others. I am deserving of love and contentment. Take a long deep breath in. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes, and when you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Thank you for taking this time to explore and release jealousy. Carry the sense of release and self-compassion with you throughout your day, knowing that you are moving towards a life free from the grip of jealousy. Have a wonderful day.